Bonjour everyone, Madame Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we are doing a silk press here. This is actually part one of part two. Part two, I'll be installing extensions, but I decided to break the video up because it was just too long. And I sprayed down her hair first because she actually dyed her own hair black and the extension hair. So she came with her hair already washed, but as you can see, it was air dried. So I sprayed it down with water so that I could blow dry it as straight as possible before the press. And I just use the same method that I use in all my silk press videos, the tension method, where you hold the hair, dry it while you're holding the hair straight, and then go in with the brush. I find that to be the easiest when blow drying natural hair. Now this is actually my friend, and I cannot wait to do her hair again. She doesn't really wear her hair straight, so I have not straightened her hair in a long time, but as you'll see in the next clip, I inserted 2 pictures of when I did her hair in the past, and they were not the best, so I cannot wait to redo her hair again because I've gotten so much better with my presses. And yeah, y'all gonna see. So yeah, here they are. The picture on the left with the blonde hair is from 2015, so 5 years ago. And at the bottom right of that picture, you see with the little feathers, that was done. So I thought that was cute. And the picture on the right, that was from 2017, and it was better, but I remember that hairstyle. I remember it wasn't light and fluffy like my presses are now. It was kind of weighed down with the product that I was using at the time. So yeah, they don't look like that no more. And I do just want to point out, I'm going to be using 2 different flat irons, 3 if you count the really small one that I use on the roots. But there's no reason for me using 2 different flat irons. The silver one with the blue trim, that's a new one. I was just trying that out. And the other one is the one that I always use. They're both by Babyliss Pro. But I was just seeing how I like the other one. So there's no reason why I'm using 2 different flat irons. I've done her hair a lot actually. I used to do a lot of weaves on her. Um, and it used to be so painful for me to do her hair, but this time it was not painful at all. Like literally before my arms used to hurt so bad. But for some reason it did not hurt this time. Like I guess 'cause I'm just learning different ways to do natural hair. But that's a blessing because she got a lot of hair. And I used to be dreading doing her hair. Now I'd be like, it's nothing. So we're coming to an end on part one. Because I did the extensions after this, I didn't even get any good footage of the actual press. The next video you'll see the finish before I trimmed her ends, and then there's a picture at the end. But that was it, guys. Just a quick little press. It took me about 50 minutes to do the blow dry and press, and then I went into the extensions, which will be on part two. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Follow me on all social media, Madame Boo the Stylist, and WeMadam here on Instagram. I'm actually on TikTok now. I only got one video. Don't know what I'm doing, but that's Madame Boo the Stylist. All links will be below. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. TTYL.